Hello and welcome back to our channel. I think that was a long break and it was quite a time back that we had posted some recipe videos. Though we were posting videos related to our travel series in the channel. If you're interested, do check out our channel for all the travel related vlogs and also get to know more about our travel series and the places we visited. Now, apart from that, considering some requests I received for the recipe of a homemade fruit custard, here we present to you a simple yet a delicious mixed fruit custard made from the scratch and without the use of any ready-made custard powder. And so, let's have a look at it. This recipe is simplified in 3 steps. In the first step, we are making a saffron mix. This will give the color of custard naturally and also an amazing flavor for the fruit custard. Into a bowl, take few strands of some good quality saffron. Just add some warm milk. And let's stir in. Then we keep to rest for 15 minutes. And this is how it looks after the resting time. So our saffron mix is ready to use. For the time being, let's keep it aside and proceed to the next step. And here we're going to make a corn flour slurry. So for that, into a small bowl, take corn flour. Let's add some milk. This will give the fruit custard a perfect consistency, as like that made from a regular ready-made custard powder. And then mix them well so that there are no lumps and the slurry is well made. Again, once done, let's keep it aside and let's proceed to the next step. Here, into a pan, first, let's pour in the desired measure of milk. Next, I'm adding the cream of cashew nuts. Here, you can use any source of vegan cream or even dairy, and that's absolutely your choice. Just remember to mix the ingredients well before we start cooking. Then heat the pan at medium to low. And then we have to bring the milk to boil. So keep stirring in between. As the milk starts to boil, we're going to add the next ingredient, that is the condensed milk. This will add sweetness and also a rich flavor for the custard mix. But you can also go for any sweetening agents of your choice. And next, we add in the saffron mix. And here, this bright color of saffron will induce an amazing natural color for the custard mix. Now it's time to give a good mix and just combine them well. Then keep to simmer for about 5 to 10 minutes. In the meantime, keep stirring in between as this helps in even cooking. And also, as the milk reduces, a perfect texture is attained. Then gradually reduce the heat and bring it to very low. And continue the cooking with regular stirring. Next, it's time to add the corn flour slurry. And combine all the ingredients well. Very soon, the custard mix will begin to thicken. And so, keep stirring continuously so as to avoid any lumps forming at the bottom. and within 1 to 2 minutes off the flame, as the mixture will be perfectly cooked and the desired consistency will be attained on cooling. So then next, let's keep it for cooling. And after a cooling of about 30 minutes, this is how it looks. It has a good natural color of custard and also a perfect consistency. And here I am taking some mixed fruits which are cut in desired size and shapes. Also, you can use any fruits of your choice or according to the season. And now, here's the final step just before serving our homemade mixed fruit custard. Take a large bowl and add in the cut fruits one by one. I prefer to dress the fruits and keep them refrigerated so that on serving we get it chilled and also it retains the freshness. Adding dry fruits is also a good option. And next, let's add in our homemade custard mix into the fruit ball. Finally, give a good and gentle mix. And here is our homemade mixed fruit custard ready to relish. It's absolutely delicious, healthy, and a best dessert for the summers. And even you can make large portions of the custard mix and store so that you can quickly use it when you have craving for a dessert, or either simply serve yourself as a healthy breakfast or even as a midday meal. And I'm sure once you try this recipe, you're going to definitely love this as like me. Thank you for being with us. And please don't forget to share with us your feedbacks on this recipe. Also, we would love to see you in our next video. Until then, stay healthy and stay happy.